Welcome to today's exciting YouTube video. Are you ready to dive into the captivating world of data visualization? In this episode, we're taking a high-level journey through two powerful tools, Tableau and Power BI. Join us as we explore the art of transforming raw data into visually stunning presentations, captivating charts and graphs, and interactive dashboards that breathe life into your insights. While this video serves as an overview of the immense potential that Tableau and Power BI offer, stay tuned for upcoming tutorials where we'll dive deep into each tool, unraveling their features, functionalities, and techniques to create masterful visualizations that truly speak volumes. Whether you're an analytics aficionado or a data novice, our upcoming tutorials will guide you step by step, helping you unlock the true power of these software gems. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on an enlightening journey of data visualization excellence.
So today I'm just giving a small overview about the Tableau, what we can do, how we can visualize our data once we are working with the Python or R to interpret our data and then bring our data in the Tableau, and how you can make charts and graph or other visuals to give proper insights on the dashboard. Okay, to understand the or to represent to the company or owners or stakeholders to understand about insights, to get the proper insights of the data or their problems. So you can see here I have a data set which I use to visualize here, and then you can, from here I'm not going in depth now. So for the data I just go to show you I have some data here. Okay, and then this is the dashboard what I show here. I prepared for that. If you will go to the histogram, you will see that histogram, it's showing that quantity. Okay, and then if you move to the waterfall chart, how you can see the waterfall chart of the the subcategory of the profit, how the profit is going. And then dual axis also we have here for the sum and sales and profit by subcategory, dual axis. So this how the charts are arranged here. You can see here one side sales and other side is profit, and their bottom it's arranged the subcategory wise. Then I have also Pareto chart. There are different types of chart. Okay, and then this is called lollipop or something. You can even change the size also. You can modify, how you can modify, then we will see all in depth in later tutorials. And this is the histogram, and then these are the some maps I also arrange for. You can see that map region and state wise. Okay, the sales, it's region and state wise. I think the sales, if I go to add the sales, you can see the sales region wise, how the sales is showing here. Even you can add the profit, sales, you can get it. Okay, you can see the legend, color legends here showing. Even you can add the states. You can take the states from here. And then you can put it in the filter. You can see that state wise you can apply all. Okay, and you can choose to show the filter. Even if you want to check anyone state, so you can get that from here, from the filter. Even filter you can also modify the filter. Okay, how you want the filter should be drop down, or you can see here a scatter plot also we have, and here also we have a scatter plot. So in the dashboard we arrange all together to show in one sheet all the information. Even we can organize it's in upcoming tutorials. This is the dashboard. You can get it from here. This is the sheet and this is the dashboard. Even you can bring any of that and you can see that it's going to fit here. And then the map, you want to bring it here, you can put it. If you don't want this one to show here, you can see you can arrange like this. I'll show you other way also. So here if you want to go to keep the fixed size, you can put the size also. If you want to keep the automatic, you can keep the full size also. And even there are some options. Okay, so just I will go and give you the small brief of how you can divide. Okay, so you can put one side this histogram and other side you can put this one map, and even you can use this one also, like move it anywhere, do not let it occupy any space, and then you can keep it somewhere in the other any open space or white space to get the proper visuals. And I hope this will be useful for you. Thank you.